We are back with an easy and trendy hairdo in this easy-to-learn DIY hairstyle tutorial video on hairstylesapps.com. Hi guys! The Waterfall Braid. It looks really cute and can be worn on a casual day out or something as formal as an evening ball. So let's get started. We have already made a deep side partition. Take some hair from the front just next to the partition on the heavier side. Divide it into 3 strands. Begin with making a normal braid where the left strand goes over the middle and then the right strand goes over the middle. Set aside the strand which is in the middle now. Take a new strand of hair from the left and add it to the strand which is on the left now. Bring this over to the middle. Add a new strand of hair from the right and cross it over the middle. Again, set aside the strand that is in the middle now. The trick that gives a cascading look is to keep setting aside sections of hair brought in from the left. Keep adding sections from the right underneath the braid. Continue braiding till you reach the back of your head. Pin up the end securely in place. Cover the pin with the remaining hair at the back. That's all. Define cuteness in your way with a wonderful waterfall braid. We look forward to your suggestions in the comment section below. Keep watching, liking, sharing and subscribing to our videos. Also, try out our app Hairstyle Changer, available on Google Play and App Store.